Hello, I'm Design Guy. Ready to master Canva Docs and make your documents stand out? Click Create, select Docs, then choose your desired document size. Type any text directly here. No need to draw a separate text element. Designers can add a heading, which is the largest and most prominent text. Type your subheading here using the smaller text option to add a clear, concise description below your main heading. Highlight the text, then change its color using the text color option in the toolbar. You can underline text and add a yellow highlight to emphasize important parts. Use highlight color to mark text, click the underline button to underline, select italic to italicize text, and access advanced settings for more formatting options. To add H2O, use advanced settings. Here, you can convert the text into superscript for a proper chemical formula. Transform the selected text to subscript and change its font style accordingly. Select the font option, then change the font to Horizon from the available list. You can add bullet points, such as example items 1, 2, and 3. Highlight the text to add bullet points. To duplicate, try Ctrl D, but if it doesn't work, use Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste the text instead. Use Ctrl plus V to paste. Then change the text to a numbered list by clicking the List button. You can change the bullet style to show variations or variants in the list. Select the list, click the bullet dropdown, and choose a different bullet style to update its appearance. This helps differentiate items clearly. Select the table to add it. It appears here. Double-click to edit the value on the graph. You can adjust the number by double-clicking this area. Try changing the value to see the effect. Set the value to 65 and press Tab. The value updates to 65. You can explore various details here, including using different charts like pie or donut charts for visualization. Increase the number to 20, and the percentage adjusts accordingly. If you change it to 50 and press down, the value updates. This is how you use the number and percentage adjustment controls. Canva Docs function like Microsoft Word, but include many additional elements for enhanced design and creativity. Search for images or photos and use the available photos in the library as needed. Search for the animals element. This function isn't in Word, but you'll have a ready-made template to use. Type any document name, like quiz template. Then, a new page will open with the template ready for you to use. This quiz template shows how to use Canva Docs within Canva effectively. Click Share, and then save your file. Now you know how to use Canva Docs and subscribe for more easy design tips.